Hey guys, Dr. Jeff Feenstra here with Pro Chiropractic along with Dr. Stark. Today what we're going to talk to you guys about is we're going to talk about a taping technique for the shoulder, specifically for an AC joint injury. I'm going to do SPRT taping. SPRT stands for specific proprioceptive response taping. And so basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to tape her shoulder and I'm going to tape it in a position of function. And that basically means I'm going to tape it in a way that allows that joint to still move while taking some of the stress off of it from that injury. An AC joint, your AC joint it's a joint where your collarbone actually hooks in with your shoulder. It's that bony attachment right there at the point of the shoulder. And a lot of times there's going to be pinpoint tenderness right over that. Lots of different sports, weightlifting, can create a separation where essentially the shoulder kind of gets pulled down, and that will create, sometimes you'll get where the collarbone actually pops up a little bit, or you'll actually get a little bit of a divot right in there depending upon what type of injury that is. So to do this taping, I'm actually going to approximate that shoulder and collarbone together and see how that feels. And then I'm going to pull it apart and see how it feels. And I'm going to move it in a couple of different directions and have her move her shoulder in a way that either causes pain or relieves pain. Once I find that position that relieves pain, I'm going to tape it in that position. And so we already did that on her, and it actually found that if I pull these together, that actually relieves her pain. And so the taping, I'm going to basically just use this white coverall. If I can get it off. I'm going to put that right over top of her AC joint. Lay it down, make sure it sticks really good. And then I'm just going to take some basic Leuco tape or strapping tape, and the way that we do this technique is we actually put a tab in that tape, and then that tab is going to go right over that joint. And then I'm going to use just a straight piece, and I'm going to come in here, go on the bottom. I'm going to fold my tab down, catch it with that tape, bring it up, so now we've got that tab, we're hooked on that tab. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull that AC joint together to approximate that AC joint and lay the tape down. A lot of times you'll see a little wrinkling of that coverall strip in the direction that you've pulled. And then what we'll do is we'll recheck. We'll have her move her shoulder around in different directions and make sure we actually made that improvement in function to where there's not as much pain. Because when there's not as much pain, that's going to improve for overall shoulder mechanics and help this thing heal better. Again, Dr. Jeff Feenstra along with Dr. Stark with Pro Chiropractic. We've got lots more videos on YouTube. Go check those out for lots more cool information. Check us out on Facebook. Thanks.